I have done a capacity planning for a AI powered job portal, which is Talent Bridge. Talent Bridge. So in this capacity planning, what I have done is that I have created a 3-year infrastructure plan and how the job portal works. So there is a table of content in which I have 17 pointers which are being written here. So the main summary of this executive this job portal is that it is an AI powered recruitment platform. What it does is that it automates the entire hiring pipeline. It matches 95% matching accuracy, reducing time to hire by 10x. Means what are the things that it does is that when the people go on the job portal, they go and apply on the application for a certain role, so they get much time latency is there, but this is very AI powered, so it is will be very easy. You will go through that and you will apply there, and it will AI will help you to automatically process the method how the things are being worked. So I have created one of the column. So there is 4 column, the matrix year 1 year 2, like how the users will enhance. Like for the first year we are planning that there will be 10,000 users will be there. In the year 2 we are assuming that there will be 1 lakh, and after that year third there will be 1 crore. So as per that also we have assigned the or estimated the company's estimation also, like 500 for 1 year, 5,000, then 50,000, like application processed 15 to 2 lakh to 50 crore, like this AI interview month, how the things are being worked. So we have done market research also there is. So the global recruitment market is that experiencing explosive growth driven by AI adaptation. Like in the you have seen that after the boom of the AI, the job market is heavily dependent on how your resume is good or not, because now the companies are seeing the resume through the AI only, that they scan the resume and shortlist or not, or reject it. So by the year 2024, the market size was dollar 187 billions. After that 25, 278 billion dollars. After that 26, 387 billion dollars. So these are the key market drivers. Like 70% of companies projected to use AI in hiring by. So we are estimating that by the 2028 the hiring process will be more projected to use the AI, which which is being 35% more than from the 2024. So the average 40 hours saved pen higher using AI screening, which helped us in 85% efficiency. Here you can see that the global workforce. So we have also taken consideration into the competitive landscape. Like there are many job portals available all across the world, like LinkedIn Recruiters, Indeed, Greenhouse, and what we have made is that the Talent Bridge AI first high, like this. Why we have built that? Because post pandemic remote work create growth. After the post pandemic, like the COVID happens in 2020, after that the remote work is more popular, so it will cover all these particular things. So we have used ChatGPT for Claude API maturity enables production grade AI matching. Companies desperately need to reduce hiring cost. Regularity push this. So how the user growth assumption happens, like the growth model. In the year one, we are assuming that 10,000 users, organic launch and validation are there, paid partnership monthly acquisition rate, 8,030 new user, viral coefficient. Like this, we have taken the growth model assumption. For the year two, this much will be there. For year three, this much will be there. So you user acquisition cost means customer acquisition cost will be like organic SEO for content. It is like dollar 2.50 paid ads like blended partnership like this. So how the user behavior assumption will work like job views per month be taken 12 in year 1, 18 users per month year 2 and 24 like this. Applications peak concurrency daily active user DAO and 30% of the user base return rate session duration. So this is the infrastructure overview like how the architecture diagram flows like the cloud front we have used CDN for the load balancer AWS ALB web servers React App SRV, App SRV API, PostgreSQL, Redis, Elasticsearch, PostgreSQL standby. And for the AI ML pipeline, we have used GPT-4 API matching. This will help to shortlist the resume, all the job applicants like Pinecone vectors we have used for searching for training. How the things will work, the user access the application through a web browser or mobile app. So the what the CDN does is that it serves static content such as images, JavaScript, and videos from the location closest to the user. What it will help is that it will reduce the latency and improving the performance. Traffic distribution will be there. Benefits will be there that fault tolerance, horizontal scaling is there. That if the user will increase, it will automatically distribute the request parallelly or horizontally so that there will be no issues. So the front layer React delivers the user interface and the multiple application API servers are there contains the user authentication, data processing, recommendation request, search queries, AI services integration like this. For the data layer, so there will be many users, so we have to take consideration of the data storage also. So like user profile, transactions, application data, relationship, PostgreSQL standby like this. For the disaster recovery, fails over support, this is the way. So for example, job search, product search, candidate search, content delivery, AI pipe and slash ML pipeline we have used for intelligent matching and content understanding. Example, resume to job matching, that for the particular job what you are applying, your resume is matching or not, like recommendation generation, that this is semantic search, like we will match all the particular keywords to that particular model that it is there or not. So if it will be there, then it will give the good score, otherwise it will reject the resume. Pinecone vector stores embedding purposes. For that, one server will be there. The servers serve the React front-end and static assets scales horizontally with the load. Here for that we have done the year one planning infrastructure. You can see from here application server. For the backend we have used the Node.js API handles with the authentication, AI request of orchestration, load balancer, so the request should be able to distribute to particular server like 1 2 3, not only the only server, because if that will be happen without the load balancer, it will what it will do is that it will crash the server and it will not be good for the users. For the database storing we have used PostgreSQL. You can see that it will store the profile, job listing, application, transaction, analytics like this. Redis कैसे we have used, what is that कैसे session data, job search results, API responses and real time match scores. And we have also used AWS S3 version, vector database, bandwidth, all this we have used. This is how the architecture will flow, like user post a job, it will go through the API, generate description, skill extraction, category classification, then apply, analyzes the images to resumes, experience verification, skill matching, cultural fit scoring, search, it will search, and then it will go through the competition in scoring. So this is how we have done the capacity planning for this particular particular talent bridge AI powered job portal. Like this, the infrastructure cost breakdown will be here. Like in the year one, like monthly, this will be there. Annual, this will be there for the 10,000 user. Year two, growth growth phase, 1 lakh user will be there. So the monthly and annual cost will be this. And three, the major part is that when more than 1 crore or 2 crore users will be there. So this is how the things are being working. And we have done the revenue versus infrastructure also, how the revenue will be generated and infrastructure. Like in year one, revenue will be $2.5 million. Year two, like this, infrastructure cost will be this, gross profit will also be taken care, and gross margin will be there. So we have to take consider all this because we are pitching this to a company so that it can stand out our website or the portal so that it can be applicable for anyone to apply to the job. So this is how the things will be working. Now I will show you on the browser that how the things are being working. So I have been logged into the particular talent bridge job portal. So here, first of all, I will show you how the UI looks like. So here, one beautiful find your dream career with AI is written. After that, job, skills, location, AI search is there. And there are feature opportunities like all technology. It will cover all the things. Like in the technology, it will cover full stack. In the design, like UI, UX and UI design lead, marketing, finance. For this, the student or the people who or the user who wants to apply can quickly apply here. And it is powered by advanced AI. Like AI will screen the resume, AI chat interviews. You can do also predictive analysis, global talent pool. So this, like, there are three plan is also there for the for the user. Like there is one the starter for the professional, like it is taking $29 per month. For the enterprises contract sale, it is taking like this. So all this is how the looks. And there is one a post a new job. So here, if the company also wants to post a job, here he can mention the job title like software developer trainee, company name, location, employee type, like full-time, part-time, contract based, or salary range. You can also mention technology, what marketing you want, technology you want, finance you want, and description. So you can post it there. And here I will log it out and I will go through it how you can log in. So for the first time the user is new, he can go here, he can create one sign up like. So see here it has created my account here. Now I can go here and apply here. Like I will be writing my name Ankit, and you here you can mention your phone number, and you can browse your resume also so that it can be applied quickly. So this is how the things are being working. And for the job skills, right now I have taken, like for the, if someone is, searching for like machine learning engineer. This is the raw data which I have taken, but I will improve and it will take from the data server. That now you can see here. So see here, you can see that it has given me the particular result. So still I have taken the hard coded data, but I will improve this. So like this, the infrastructure planning is also be there, like for 1 to 10 10 k users, like this. For 100 k users, this much will be required, and for 1 million users, this much will be required. So infrastructure cost growth annual will be around the 103k dollar. After that, it is increasing drastically, so it will be beneficial. So this is how the things are being working, and the revenue projection is also there. Like for the revenue, 1 year will be there. After that, cost, then also revenue. After that, cost, revenue, like this. You can also schedule a call from here. You can see the market analysis, how the things are being working. So you can go here, dashboard. You can see your application also, that how much application you have been submitted, my profile, what you have created, like this, save profile. So this is the way how you can do a capacity planning for a new startup ideas, so that you can invest, so that you can pitch to an investor about how the your app is working and how it can be beneficial to the world and to this marketing world. So hope you have enjoyed this video.